and then extend and come down.
Okay.
Yeah. If you bend the leg, leg straight, can. Arch the back. That is a slow, little by little progress.
Oh, look my family.
And then look front, look your hands. Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
If you feel it's too far, you can put the hand a little bit, adjust your hand.
Okay.
Like this. You can adjust by yourself. Okay, put the leg, hands look front first. Look over here and put the one leg up. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Oh, it looks very easy for her now. Okay. So switch the
Very
leg.
beautiful.
Yeah, switch the leg. Okay, you just press the fingers like this. When you feel you gonna fall down this side, you just press the body weight is over here, and you look here, and now try to bend the another leg. Bend the knee. Yeah, bend the knee. Yeah, bend the knee. Yeah, yeah, like this. Yeah, that's it.
สวยงาม
Yeah.
Thank you.
Little by little.
Wow, very nice.
Yeah, find the balance. Very good. Don't worry, I'm here นะเก่งมากเลย
เก่งมากเลยค่ะ
ดีมากเลยสุดยอดบอกไป Yeah, like this. Feel this feeling. This is straight now. Yeah.